Did you know that by age 7, most of your child's growth is already complete? At Beacon Smiles Dental, we start evaluating kids early because signs like snoring, mouth breathing, or crowding can point to airway issues that could affect their development. By age 4, 40% of jaw growth is already done. By age 12, 90% of total facial growth is already occurred. Catching concerns early helps guide jaw development, improve breathing, and prevent bigger issues later on. Book a free orthodontic consultation today, and let's make sure your child's smile and airway are growing in the right direction.